the x plus 3 is greater than equal to 7, like we were trying to solve the inequations using the sign of inequalities. इसमें x plus 3 is greater than equal to 7 ऐसा गिवन है, then x plus 3 minus 3 is greater than equal to 7 minus 3. यहाँ पे हमने -3 से बोथ साइड ऐड किया है, या फिर कह सकते हैं कि बोथ साइड हम लोगों ने 3 से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है. तो x is greater than equal to 4 is the final relation between unknown x and 4. अभी इसको नंबर लाइन पे ड्रॉ करने पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि जो x की वैल्यू है वो 4 को इंक्लूड करती हुई और राइटवर्ड डायरेक्शन में, यानी कि फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स इन्फिनिटी, ऐसा हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि x की वैल्यू हम लोग को मिलेगी. यानी कि x के देयर आर इनफाइनाइट सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑफ x बट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 4 अप टू इन्फिनिटी. यहाँ पे इन्फिनिटी एक्सक्लूड होगा और 4 जो है वो इंक्लूड होगा, क्योंकि 4 जो है वो एक फाइनाइट नंबर है और उसको हम लोग इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज साइन ऑफ इक्वालिटी होल्ड्स इन ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल टू. In second, we can see while we are solving linear inequalities like an equation, we can solve any inequality by adding or subtracting the same value to both sides of the inequality sign. हम लोग both side add या subtract कर सकते हैं. We can also multiply or divide both sides of inequality by a positive value. For example, suppose we have 4x minus 7 is greater than 11 minus 2x. Then we can shift LHS and RHS by the steps given. 4x is greater than 18 minus 2x, then 6x is greater than 18. Now here 18 will be divided by 6, then we can find the value of x, like x is greater than 3. So there are many values of x. There are infinite values of x excluding 3 up to infinity. Now to verify that, we can see x is greater than 3 is the solution to 4x minus 7 is greater than 11 minus 2x. Like suppose we are substituting a value just above 3 into the inequality, and we have an example about 4. So if we substitute 4 in place of x, then we can find 4 multiplied by 4 minus 7 is greater than 11 minus 2 multiplied by 4. Then 16 minus 7 is greater than 11 minus 8, and 9 is greater than 3, which is true. In next step, we can see if we substitute a value just below 3 into the inequality, that's 2. If we substitute x equal to 2 into inequality, we have 4 into 2 minus 7 is greater than 11 minus 2 into 2. 8 minus 7 is greater than 11 minus 4. So 1 is greater than 7, which is not true. So what we observe, we have to remember and we have to note this important point that if when both sides of an inequality are multiplied or divided by a negative number, जैसा कि हमने लास्ट एग्जांपल में भी देखा था, तो जो साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी है वो रिवर्स कर जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 6 minus 3x is greater than equal to 9, and we subtract 6 from both the sides, then minus 3x is less than equal to 3, and we are dividing both the side by minus 3, then x is greater than equal to minus 1, the inequality sign is reversed because of the division by negative quantity. We could also solve this type of inequality by collecting x terms on the right and reversing the inequality sign at the end, like 6 minus 3x is less than equal to 9, and if we are adding 3x to both the sides, then 6 is less than equal to 9 plus 3x, and subtracting 9 from both the sides, then minus 3 is less than equal to 3x. So now we are dividing both the side by 3, then minus 1 is less than equal to x. Actually we are dividing by positive 3, so inequality will be maintained here because there is no negatively division. So x is greater than equal to minus 1 is the final answer. because of the sign of equality holds here at -1, so we have to include -1 and the set of solution will be -1 to infinity. Infinity will be excluded. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारे ऐसे सेट ऑफ नंबर्स हैं जो हम लोग को मिल रहे हैं फॉर द सोल्यूशन ऑफ x स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम -1 अप टू पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ इन्फिनिटी. अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि सॉल्विंग कंबाइंड लीनियर इनइक्वालिटीज़, अगर हम लोग को कंबाइंडली इसको सॉल्व करना हो तो सपोज द टू इनइक्वालिटीज़ 4x + 3 इज ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 5 एंड 4x + 3 इज लेस देन 15. So can be written as a single combined inequality? Yes, of course. Like if we are able to establish a relation between both the inequalities, so we can simply identify the values of 4x + 3 which is greater than equal to 5 and less than 15, because 4x + 3 here the same quantity, and in both the inequalities like first and second, 4x + 3 greater than equal to 5 and 4x + 3 less than 15, so we can include both the inequalities in terms of 4x + 3, then 4x + 3 greater than equal to 5 less than 15. We can solve this inequality as follows. If we are subtracting 3 from each part, then 4x is greater than equal to 2 less than 12, and now we can divide both the inequalities by 4. So 4 is positive number here, so the sign of inequality will be maintained here, like x is greater than equal to 0.5 1 by 2 less than 3. We can illustrate this solution on a number line also, like the value will be hold between 0.5 up to 3, but 0.5 the value will be included and 3 will be excluded, because 0.5 holds equality, sign of equality, because x is greater than equal to 0.5, so we must have to include 0.5, but we have to exclude 3 because sign of equality doesn't hold here. So these are the solutions. अब एक्चुअली बहुत सारे ऐसे पॉइंट्स होंगे जो 0.5 से लेकर 3 के बीच में होंगे, 0.5 से ऊपर और 3 से नीचे, लेकिन इसमें 0.5 को इंक्लूड करना है और 2.99999999 तक की वैल्यू को हम लोग को इंक्लूड करना है. 3 को इंक्लूड नहीं करना है बिकॉज साइन ऑफ इक्वलिटी यहाँ पे नहीं है.